Back part drafting finish. Now I start hair cutting. Now here I make front part. Here I draw a square line for center front line. Here I draw same line as a back part for front. Here half inch in mark for front neck line 163 and 3 inch. The front neck width 3.5 inch front neck deep. Here I make front shoulder half 8.5 inch. Here I make front chest 15 inch half 7.5 inch seam margin. 9.5 front chest half inch seam margin. 9 inch front waist half inch seam margin, half inch dart seam margin. 9.5 front hip half inch seam margin. Front side line. One quarter inch in mark for chest pocket position. 4 inch chest pocket length. Front half inch longer than back. Eight and half inch pocket, hip pocket position from bottom hem. 5 inch pocket opening. 2/4 inch pocket flap height. half inch welt height. Here I make front shoulder same as the back, 1 3/4 inch front shoulder slope, front shoulder line. Here 3/4 inch added for center front overlap. First button, second button, third button, fourth button, fifth button, sixth button. Half inch seam margin at center front. Jawahar coat front part drafting finish. Neck line, shoulder line, front armor line, side seam and chest pocket, chest dart, hip pocket, center front line, 6 button at center front. Now here I make round Eastern collar. Back neckline 3 inch. One quarter inch collar height, 1.5 inch collar height, collar point 1 inch. Finish pattern. Half inch seam margin, here I make inside front facing. Two-inch facing width at shoulder, 4.5 inch facing width at front, center front, bottom line. Jawahar coat pattern, back pattern. Jawahar coat back pattern. Jawahar coat front pattern. Jawahar coat inside front facing. Jawahar coat collar.